Oh, oh, oh. Strumming strings, but they don't sound right. Flames flicker, shadows in the dead of night. Where are you now? Are you watching too? I'm stuck on you like flat paper, can't pull through. Thoughts spiral like smoke in the air. Your ghost is here, but you're nowhere. Veins buzzing with the taste of your name. Dial tone hums, but it's never the same. I know it's stupid, but I still pretend like someone like you could ever bend to love someone cracked, someone like me. But I'm drowning in this insecurity. I flood my head with static noise, TV blaring, all that noise. But you're still there in the back of my mind, smiling soft like you never left behind. I'm screaming loud, but you can't hear this dark pop love wrapped in fear. Chloe and Courtney on the screen, but your reflection breaks the scene. Your kindness echoes, it cuts so deep, and I'm wide awake but still half asleep. If I could rewind, hit replay, be less of a fool, have something to say. But I'm just an act, smoking lights, a circus of charm in a losing fight. Do I wear you out? Am I too much? Too loud, too weird, too out of touch? I'm not full of drama, just commas and lines, a joke in disguise, ahead of my time. I flood my head with static noise, TV blaring, all that noise. But you're still there in the back of my mind, smiling soft like you never left behind. I'm screaming loud, but you can't hear this dark pop love wrapped in fear. You knock on my door, I ignore the sound, but I need you here to calm me down. Lie on top of me, silence the shakes, stop the words before my heart breaks. I'd give it all, surrender deep, every dark secret that I keep. If you find this letter torn in two, just know I'm Lady Gaga in love with you. Strumming strings, now out of tune. Static love in an empty